Hey, all you dam safety folks, Paul Meeks here for Worthington Products, and I'm so excited. We've got another great Canadian Dam Association conference, Niagara Falls, late September. You can't ask for a better time. I know your schedule's going to be jam-packed with sessions, with partying, with everything else. I get it, but if you have a need for public safety barriers, debris booms, and ice booms, folks, there's only one booth to come visit. That's Worthington Products. And why would you ever want to visit us? Well, we've been doing booms for more than 25 years. We got products in every province in Canada. Not just Canada, we're in 65 countries, and here you see some of the products we have. Most of you know us for our tuck boom product, but we have a full line of HDPE barriers. You won't find more knowledgeable people, friendlier people, and a better time. And stop by. We're also going to have a great Canada themed giveaway. Drop your business card or name in the Roots Canada hat. Who knows, maybe you'll win something. Looking forward to seeing you at the Worthington Products booth at the Canadian Dam Association Conference this week. Thank you.